just came in today. Oh yeah. If you guys want me to do a review on this, let me know. This is actually really good. I have the 1 terabyte one. 1 terabyte over here. I can't believe it was so small. Great for travel. Definitely stick around for reviews on this. It's called Crucial. Got the newer filters for the DJI Pocket 3. Stay tuned for the Pocket 3. Here's the filters for the Pocket 3 as well. And then I think this is the filters for the drone. Got a lanyard for the remote. And of course, I gotta get some memory. I just got it. My last drone was the DJI Spark. Can you believe that? Definitely upgraded. Let's open this up, get my reaction. Got a sticker. Okay, we just break that off. You can see inside here. Oh, it's all in just the bag. It's all in the bag already. Okay. So they have it all in the bag already. Oh wow. There's the remote. Yeah, looks cool. Got the charger and the drone itself. Man, look, this drone's small. I knew it would be small because it's mini, but I didn't know it was like that small. Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. Okay. It feels very plasticky. It's one thing I've noticed so far. It's very plastic. I mean, this thing is expensive, and for it to feel really plasticky, well, I guess for the weight, right? But it looks pretty cool. Remove before use. There we go. This is so cool. And then it like turns. Little cameras up here, the sensors. Sensors down here. There's the battery. I think it already has the battery, right? Oh, yeah, let's kind of extend this. Can we? So the top part has these stands. There's some wiring right here. You can see the wiring. Man, for over $1,000, I'm really shocked because it's very light, but it feels like a toy. Oh, and that's how you take out the battery. So yeah, the batteries are pretty light too. Mini 4 Pro. All right, so in the rest of the bag inside, well, I found the paperwork. It's got like an app too that you can download. I actually don't know the difference between the propellers. I tried looking at them, they look the same, so I'm not sure. Maybe I'll figure it out later. But it's got all the manual, like flight restriction stuff. Then it's got extra propellers. So these are A, the other side says B, but they look the same. I don't know which ones go on the back side or the top side. And then there's 2 screwdrivers, and I got a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-A. I got this, and that was pretty much it. It's very lightweight, to my surprise. Very, very light. I'm kind of scared to fly it out in the windy conditions. We're gonna charge it up. There's the little joysticks right there. It doesn't turn on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that. Looks like we can set this up. English, United States. I can connect to my internet. So I just clicked on activate. Make sure you go to create account, because I went to like log in and stuff, so I kind of wasted time there. How to use the product. Swipe horizontally from edge of the screen. Left dial, right dial. The left side is like a gimbal tilt. Camera zoom is the right dial. Press record. The shutter half press to autofocus. Full press to take photo. Oh, that's cool. RTH, return to home. Brake press to pause flight and hover. Switch flight modes. Okay. Cine, normal, sport. The ones back here. Customize. Solid red, aircraft not connected. Solid green, aircraft connected. Solid yellow, update failed. Blinks blue, linking with aircraft. Low battery warning. Yellow. Cyan is sticks not centered. Red, blinks red. controller temperature too high. Adjust antennas regularly when controlling the aircraft to make sure aircraft is always within distance. Oh, this is cool. Shows a little video. Oh, I didn't even know there was sound coming out of it. That's cool. Oh, there we go. Oh look, it connected. It was showing my amp. Activate DJI device. Activating. Activation successful. New firmware available. Okay, let's update it. And I could feel the heat coming out. I could feel the heat coming out of this thing. Create spots, give reviews, and share your flights on the plus. Oh, cool. It gives me like locations here on the side. Okay, let me just connect the camera. Mini 4 Pro. Searching for aircraft. Press and hold the power button on the underside of the aircraft for 4 seconds until the aircraft beeps to indicate it is in pairing mode. On the underside. Maybe it just means down here. Okay. It's in pairing mode. There we go. Standard. Should we get the large? Let's go for it.
Home point updated.
Yeah, I like the large. Fly safe requires update. Let's update it. Help pilots better understand flight risk, make informed decisions. Okay. Alright, update successful. So I just get out of it. Oh, that's cool. I forget. I never had slow motion in the Spark. Let's do night vision. That's kind of cool. Look, you could see it blurry here, but you can see the amp perfectly. I just noticed that. That's cool. I wonder if I could take a picture. It's got internal memory. I don't have the memory card on right now, but look at that. So it has a video that I took and the picture.